Question 1. What is the fundamental difference in operational independence between an autonomous agent and an assisted agent, particularly in the context of critical actions? Option A. Autonomous agents are faster, while assisted agents are more accurate. Option B. Autonomous agents operate independently without requiring human intervention for critical decisions, whereas assisted agents require human review and approval for such actions. Option C. Autonomous agents use Claude, while assisted agents use other LLMs. Option D. Autonomous agents are designed for simple tasks, while assisted agents handle complex workflows. The correct answer is, autonomous agents operate independently without requiring human intervention for critical decisions, whereas assisted agents require human review and approval for such actions. Here's the explanation. The primary differentiator is the degree of human intervention. Autonomous agents are self-sufficient in achieving objectives, making decisions, and executing tasks independently. Assisted agents, conversely, explicitly incorporate a human in the loop for critical decisions, providing suggestions or drafts that require human approval before final action. Question 2. An AI agent continuously monitors cloud infrastructure logs and, upon detecting a sudden spike in unauthorized API calls, automatically isolates the compromised virtual machine and blocks suspicious IP addresses. This scenario best describes the operation of which type of agent? Option A. An assisted agent, as it requires pre-approved remediation actions. Option B. An autonomous agent, as it performs proactive remediation without human intervention. Option C. A generative agent, focused solely on creating new content. Option D. A conversational agent, primarily designed for dialogue. The correct answer is, quote, an autonomous agent, as it performs proactive remediation without human intervention. Here's the explanation. The agent in this scenario is performing actions, isolating VM, blocking IPs, independently and proactively based on detected events, without requiring human approval for each step. This is a hallmark of an autonomous agent, especially in time-sensitive incident response. Question 3. A cloud cost management agent analyzes an organization's billing data and presents insights and recommendations, e.g., consider right-sizing these EC2 instances, move cold data to Glacier Deep Archive, to a finance team. The finance team then reviews these suggestions and decides which optimization strategies to implement. This is an example of which type of agent? Option A. An autonomous agent, because it processes complex data independently. Option B. An autonomous agent, because it makes direct recommendations. Option C. An assisted agent, because it provides intelligent support and suggestions but requires human decision-making for final actions. Option D. A traditional automation script, as it follows predefined analysis rules. The correct answer is an assisted agent, because it provides intelligent support and suggestions but requires human decision-making for final actions. Here's the explanation. The agent is providing valuable analysis and recommendations, but the critical decision-making and implementation of the cost-saving strategies remain with the human teams. This collaborative model, where the AI augments human capabilities but requires human approval for final actions, is the definition of an assisted agent. Question 4. In the architecture of an AI agent built with Claude, what is the primary role of the large language model, LLM? Option A. To manage all long-term memory storage in a vector database. Option B. To execute external API calls and scripts directly. Option C. To serve as the core reasoning engine, interpreting prompts, generating plans, and deciding on tool usage. Option D. To solely handle input parsing from the environment without any reasoning. The correct answer is to serve as the core reasoning engine, interpreting prompts, generating plans, and deciding on tool usage. Here's the explanation. The LLM Claude acts as the brain of the AI agent, responsible for interpreting goals, reasoning, planning, and deciding which tools to use, processing their outputs, and formulating responses. Question 5. Which component of an AI agent is responsible for the iterative, observe-think-act cycle governing the agent's continuous process towards achieving its goal? Option A, short-term memory. Option B, tool/function calling interface. Option C, orchestration loop, agentic loop. Option D, action execution module. The correct answer is orchestration loop, agentic loop. Here's the explanation. The orchestration loop, also known as the agentic loop, is the control flow that governs the agent's iterative process, typically following an observe-think-act cycle until the goal is achieved. Question 6. How does an AI agent fundamentally differ from a simple, single-turn LLM API call? Option A. An AI agent uses a different underlying neural network architecture than a simple LLM call. Option B. An AI agent operates within an iterative loop, maintains state, and can autonomously use external tools to achieve a goal, unlike a single-turn LLM call. Option C. A simple LLM API call has significantly more memory capacity than an AI agent. Option D. An AI agent does not require any form of prompt engineering, whereas simple LLM calls do. The correct answer is an AI agent operates within an iterative loop, maintains state, and can autonomously use external tools to achieve a goal, unlike a single-turn LLM call. Here's the explanation. The key difference is that an AI agent wraps the LLM in an autonomous, iterative loop with memory and tool integration, allowing it to perform multi-step, goal-directed actions, whereas a simple LLM call is a single request-response interaction without inherent state or tool use capability. Question 7. What distinguishes an AI agent with planning and reasoning capabilities from a simple, reactive system? Option A. Planning agents only respond to immediate stimuli, while reactive systems anticipate future outcomes. Option B. Planning agents construct a sequence of actions to achieve a specific goal proactively, while reactive systems only respond to immediate stimuli without foresight. Option C. Reactive systems can use external tools, while planning agents are limited to internal computations. Option D. Planning agents operate only in static environments, while reactive systems excel in dynamic ones. The correct answer is planning agents construct a sequence of actions to achieve a specific goal proactively, while reactive systems only respond to immediate stimuli without foresight. Here's the explanation. The overview states that planning refers to an agent's ability to construct a sequence of actions to achieve a specific goal, often in a multi-step, dynamic environment, distinguishing it from simple, single-turn interactions or reactive systems. Question 8. Which technique is commonly leveraged by LLMs like Claude to enable complex reasoning, problem decomposition, and the formulation of multi-step plans in agents? Option A. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. Option B. Simple keyword matching algorithms. Option C. Chain of thought, COTE, prompting or similar internal thought processes. Option D. Direct API calls without any internal processing. The correct answer is chain of thought, COT, prompting or similar internal thought processes. Here's the explanation. The How It Works section explicitly mentions that the agent engages its reasoning engine, often utilizing a technique akin to chain of thought, COT, prompting or similar internal thought processes, where Claude generates an internal monologue to break down goals and consider strategies. Question 9. An agent, powered by Claude, is tasked with deploying a highly available, cost-optimized web application in a cloud environment. Which key feature allows this agent to interact with the cloud infrastructure to achieve its goal? Option A, goal-oriented action, which is solely an internal mental state. Option B, constraint handling, which only applies to ethical guidelines. Option C, action space/tool use, enabling invocation of cloud provider APIs. Option D, anticipation and prediction, which is purely for logging purposes. The correct answer is action space/tool use, enabling invocation of cloud provider APIs. Here's the explanation. The key features, components, section lists, action space tool use as a defined set of permissible actions or external tools, e.g., APIs, databases, code execution environments, that the agent can invoke as part of its plan, which is crucial for interacting with cloud infrastructure like provisioning resources. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.